Changing Safari's default download location on your iPhone 16 helps organize your downloaded files and ensures they're stored exactly where you want them. Here's how to change the download path for the inbuilt iOS browser app. To start, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Apps. Find Safari from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Safari app settings, scroll down towards the General section and tap on Downloads. Here, you can choose any from the given options including On My iPhone, iCloud Drive, and Other. If you select Other, you can specify a path or folder where you can save your Safari downloads. Simply tap the drop-down menu next to Downloads at the top and then choose On My iPhone. Navigate to your preferred folder and then tap to select it. You can also create a new folder if you want. To do so, go to your preferred parent directory like On My iPhone or any other specific location or folder. Once you're there, touch and hold on the empty space of the screen and then tap New Folder. Name your folder and then tap Open to select it. You will see that the Store Downloaded Files on path is updated and set to your specified folder under On My iPhone, which is the parent directory. All future Safari downloads will then be saved to your selected location. You can change this setting at any time by repeating the same steps and then make necessary alterations to your current Safari downloads location. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorials.